Dear F.1 students, now we come to the last chapter of this year. We call the Unit 6, Particles as Matter. Okay, in this chapter, it's a little bit difficult. Therefore, in this chapter, I will try to use some Cantonese to make you understand about this chapter. Okay, what is the particles and what is the matter? I hope that I can introduce to you later on. In this chapter, first of all, what is the particle? Okay, particle in Chinese called 粒子. Okay, everything is come from the 粒子. For example, in our cell, in our body, we are made up of cell. Okay, for the substance, 我哋講嘅所有嘅物質其實都係由粒子組成。咁但係咩叫粒子呢？好啦，未講粒子之前 ，what is matter? Matter in Chinese called 物質。咁物質係有咩嚟嘅呢？ Matter is around us. Everything is matter. Okay, matter has the two properties. It has mass. 佢有呢個質量 ，and it take up place. 佢會佔據一個空間。好啦，咁即係話點解呢？例如你而家所掂嘅，你見到周圍嘅嘢，掂到嘅嘢，全部都係啲物質嚟嘅，因為佢哋會佔據空間，所以你摸到。你所有拎起一個物質嘅話，你會感覺到有呢一個重量或者有質量，因為佢哋有 mass。但係有啲嘢係冇呢一個唔係 matter 嘅喎。For example, do you remember the chapter we have learned in last chapter that's about the energy? Every energy is not a matter. 佢哋唔係物質嚟㗎。Okay, because they does not take up mass and does not take up space. 佢哋冇質量嘅，所以 For example, the heat energy, light energy, electrical energy 呢啲全部都唔會係呢一個 matter 嚟嘅。咁所以咧，其實我哋嘅古仔就係話，我哋 matter 咧就會將來我哋嘅化學咧就好中意研究呢一樣嘢。咁但係如果同有啲好似同 energy 有關嘅嘢，就會喺我哋嘅 physics 嗰度樣嘢咧係會學習多啲嘅噃。好啦，咁就我哋一齊做呢個 activity 6.1。Let's see which of the following are matter. I will give you about 20 seconds to look at it. Which one is the matter? As you can see, because the matter take up place and have mass, therefore, for example, cloud is the matter, water is matter, smoke is matter, and tree is matter. What is smoke? Smoke, for example, usually made of the ash, the yin, okay, or water, or some water droplets. It is matter. But as we know that the sun, we have the sun energy and heat, thermal energy. This is the kind of energy. Therefore, does not classify it as the matter. Okay. Therefore, the things you chose about have what is in common because they have mass and take up place is very important. Therefore, as is the key point, matter is everything that has mass and take up place. Okay. Then we are want to know the basic ideas of the particle theory. Many scientists think about the particle theory from many years ago. For example, the Democritus, Robert Brown, and Albert Einstein. This is very important because these three people make very contribution about the particle. First of all, we want to talk about the Democritus. Let's see the Democritus. He is usually the first scientist think that the matter can be divided into smaller species. 佢可以話咧，佢諗過呢啲嘢咧，啲物質嚟講咧，可以分開咧，變得越嚟越細，細變到好細咧。但係佢會覺得啲嘢咧冇得分得最細㗎啦。咁佢由最早嚟講咧，有呢個粒子嘅概念。佢覺得所有嘅嘢都係由 particle 所組成嘅，但係當時嚟講咧就冇乜證據咧係可以解釋到佢幫到佢嘅喎。一個好重要嘅里程碑就係 Robert Brown， 佢最出名嘅就係之後所提嘅布朗運動啦，一個好重要嘅古仔嚟嘅。佢個古仔係咩呢？佢其實係一個生物學家嚟嘅喎。咁佢咧就嗰日咧做實驗咧，佢係做一個花粉 pollen grain。佢喺呢一個咧靜止嘅水嗰時，佢會發覺呢啲花粉咧喺度喐緊。咁佢初頭以為會唔會係啲花粉係有生命，令到佢喐嚟喐去呢？跟住佢用高溫咧就去想嘗試所謂殺死佢哋，但係佢發覺呢啲花粉粒粒咧都係繼續咁樣喐緊喎。咁咧嗰時咧佢係解釋唔到嘅。咁但係後世啲人咧可以用 particle 嘅理論咧解釋到佢。而呢一個花粉嘅運動咧，我哋就叫 Barnum motion 布朗運動啦。咁 Albert Einstein 咧就去幫佢將來後世咧係解釋布朗運動嘅。原來咧就係話，其實啲花粉係啲好大粒嘅 particle 嚟㗎。咁咧而啲水咧係啲咧好細小嘅 particle。咁原來啲水咧就睇唔到嘅喺個 microscope 嗰度，但係佢會不停咧係會撞嗰個 pollen grain 嘅。咁咧由於佢哋啲水粒子就好多，不停撞呢個花粉，令到啲花粉一粒粒咧喺唔同嘅角度咁樣喐嚟喐去。咁所以呢一個 pollen grain 咧睇嚟咧好似呢個 zigzag，好似個拉鏈咁樣喐嚟喐去咁樣。咁所以呢個咧就後世嚟講咧就解釋呢個布朗運動噶啦。咁布朗運動真正嘅樣會係點樣呢？好 ，Let's see the video about the Barnum motion under a microscope.
Part A. Observing a drop of diluted milk. Your teacher will prepare a slide of diluted milk and put it on the stage of a microscope. The diluted milk is composed of fat droplets suspended in water. Adjust the focus of the microscope until you can see tiny bubbles on the screen. These tiny bubbles are fat droplets. Look at one of the fat droplets carefully. What do you observe? Part B. Using the kinetic motion model to understand the observation above. Your teacher will show you a kinetic motion model. A ball and some small beads are placed inside the model. Turn on the model. Observe carefully the movement of the ball and what causes the ball to have this movement.
Okay, the discussion now. And as we know, the ball represents the fat droplet, and this is very large in size. And the small space is represent the water particle. Therefore, you can see that there's a lot of water particle in the diluted milk, and they are much smaller than the fat droplet. 佢哋咧啲好多水嘅粒子啊，咁但係咧啲水嘅粒子嚟講咧就比呢個 fat droplet 細好多。And they are moving in different direction. 佢哋嚟講咧係喐呢一個咧唔同嘅方向。咁所以咧佢哋嚟講咧成日咧就會撞。They hit the fat droplet into from different direction, and this called the fat droplet move randomly. 佢哋由於成日撞嗰個油脂嘅粒粒，咁所以令到咧嗰個油脂嘅粒粒雖然大嚿啲，但係就俾人哋咧不停咁樣撞。你哋幻想嘅過程就係好似喺年宵嗰時， 好多人行呢一個年宵市場，你好似咧都唔使喐咧，你會被逼俾啲人潮嚟講喐嚟喐去，咁呢個模型咧就差唔多係呢個樣嘢噶咯喎。Besides the binary motion, scientists have done many experiments and found out about many we call ideas of the particle, and this one we call the particle theory. Let's explain. 第一，粒子係好細嘅，用普通嘅顯微鏡或者甚至嘅好多嘅普通嘅電子顯微鏡都睇唔到嘅，要好大型嘅顯微鏡咧先有機會可以睇到嘅，因為佢哋實在係太細啊。其實咧，唔同嘅物質咧都有唔同嘅 particle 所組成嘅喎，例如我哋啲水嘅 particle 同埋你人體嘅粒子，或者例如你嗰本書嘅粒子，其實已經全部係唔同噶啦。Different particle have different size and mass。由頭先咧，我哋嘅油脂同埋水嘅粒子嘅比例，你會發覺咧，唔同嘅 particle 咧都有唔同嘅大細，有唔同嘅質量。But very important, they are moving all the time。喺普通嘅溫度，佢哋就會喐到噶，甚至喺0度負可能幾十度，其實都會喐嘅。不過問題就快定慢啫。咁同埋呢個粒子好得意喎，其實粒子之間係有空間嘅。後世嚟講發現咗咧，佢哋粒子之間嘅空間其實好大。不過呢個就好多人咧就接受唔到，乜粒子空間會好大嘅咩？好啦，我哋咧遲啲會後邊嘅實驗就會講下空氣嘅。我哋試下壓縮個空氣，原來嚟講咧，你可以壓縮得到嘅喎。咁但係記住，所有 matter 咧，我哋都會由呢個 particle 所組成㗎，呢個好重要嘅。咁所以呢個6大重點，大家就要好留意嘅咯噃。Okay. Particles are far too small to be seen at the naked eye, and even in the night microscope. 咁我哋知道咧，實在好細嘅。例如細胞已經係細嘅咯喎。我哋咧，如果假如再放大多少少嘅話，我哋可以睇到呢個細胞嘅 tiny structure。但係我哋要可能放大多成所謂書裏邊嘅100倍或者更大咧，先可以睇到咧佢哋之間嘅物質。咁所以咧，佢嘅細小程度咧係非常之誇張嘅。Therefore, let's finish the key points. As we know that all matter are made up of particles, and main point of the ideal particle can be summarized as we call the particle theory. And as we know that particle theory has 6 important points. Let's do the track point 6.1. I give about 1 minute to finish. For the first one, 1A, all matter have mass and take up place. As we know that this is very important, therefore this is true. For B, all matter is made up of the same particle. Do you remember the particle theory? As we know that I have said that the matter are always made up of different particles, and this is wrong. Therefore, this is false. And the particle is making up matter can be observed using the night microscope. As I said that night microscope cannot be observed, we should observe by using the electronic microscope. Therefore, this is false. For the rubber plant, they use the pollen gland to observe the binary motion, and we can use the smoke cell to observe it too. What is the smoke cell? It's fill up the smoke and air. We can see that there's some slight spot, and this is the smoke particle. 我哋講過嘅啲煙嘅粒子咧係比較大粒，所以我哋可以用呢個方法嚟睇。我哋發覺啲煙嘅粒子咧係都會咧喐嚟喐去嘅喎。But why they have the binary motion? As we know that there is a lot of very tiny air particle. 我哋空氣好多細小嘅粒子嘅。In the smoke cell, and they are much smaller than the smoke particle. 啲空氣粒子好細嘅，比煙嘅粒子細好多。They are moving in the different direction. 咁頭先講過啦，好似水嘅粒子一樣嘅，佢哋嚟講呢係由唔同嘅方向咁樣呢不停咁樣呢移動嘅。咁所以佢哋 they hit the smoke particle from different direction and cause the smoke particle to move randomly. And hope that after the trick 6.1 you should know about the concept of the particle. But you may ask me, do you have the evidence for the particle theory? Because the particles are too small to be seen. Therefore, we only by using the experiment that to provide to support the particle theory. And in the next video, we want to introduce some experiments to you to hope that you can the evidence to support the claims of the particle theory. And I hope that in the next video, you also recognize that there are empty spaces between particles. Let's see in the next video. Bye.